introduction needed, but for the ones that don't know, that's the mighty famous Empire Builder, Amtrak train number 727 from Chicago Union Station in Chicago, Illinois. Blasting through Lakeforest on time on the CPKC Metro C&M Subdivision here at Everett Road in Lakeforest. It is July 18th, Saturday afternoon, 2026. Next stop for this guy is Milwaukee, downtown Wisconsin. This is for you, Carl, Preacher Man Hicks, Jason and Sturdivant, my brother Steven, and of course me. I'm an Amtrak man. My dad loved passenger trains, and he loved the Amtrak and the passenger trains of the yesteryear. So hell yeah. Safe journeys, Empire Builder. And as Carl, Preacher Man Hicks will say, let's all support passenger rail. We need it. Have a good night. I'm out.